Wait. Watch this land carefully. In the next few seconds, this construction site is going to turn into a massive international airport, and it all starts right here. First comes the backbone of the airport, the runway. A massive 4,000-meter strip is being built here, designed to handle large aircraft from around the world. Now the airport slowly starts taking shape. The main terminal structure begins rising, while workers continue developing the rest of the infrastructure around it. And here we are. What started as a construction site has now turned into a fully operational international airport. Now mention your favorite airline in the comments. Let's see if they reply.